Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainments. And if you've never been here before, I'm CJ. And for all my new subscribers, hi, welcome, honeybees. That's my subscribers. And I just want to say, I want to thank everyone for coming to my channel. But I don't have a box today. I got a package. Let's see what's in the package. It's a wrong box. Wrong box. This is something that I've been wanting to show for a long time. This is a multi-functional socket. It's called a smart patch board. And this is something that I've realized that a lot of people starting to get. So I wanted to talk about it and see if y'all have seen this before. So hit me up in the comments. I will leave this in my description below. I'll leave a link if you're interested in it, if you want to check out the price, or you want to see if it'll work for you, or compare prices, because that's what we do. We compare prices. So this is called a smart patch board. This is supposed to be a power board, as well as to charge your phone, to charge your camera, for your computer, all on this right here. Now, you may say this looks familiar to you because this is what would normally be called a surge protector or a power strip. This together is a surge protector, power strip, and a USB all in one. So let's check it out. Comes with instructions. I love these Velcro strips. That's the newest thing. I love them. Comes with that. The cord is a nice, thick, 3-prong cord. It has rubber on the bottom, so it doesn't slide. Okay. It has 125 volts. The frequency is 50 to 60 hertz. It powers 1,875 watts. Okay. Has a USB 2-port output. So, this right here is your USB to charge your phone or your tab or whatever. And then these over here is your sockets. And this is your power switch. So, it's your USB intelligent charging. It's automatic charges. And these lights, which I'll show you later, will light up when these are automatic charging. There is about 6-foot cord here. So it does give you a nice distance than just the little short cords. I'm going to read the instructions. I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to show you how it really works. Throw them likes up if you like this video and my stuff. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my gadgets and my stuff.